Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 10 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you'll want to turn it off, so let's hold our power key. I'm gonna change this, because to turn it off it looks like we need to do this. No? Wasn't it volume down? Ah, it's volume up. So we need to hold power and volume up to actually access the boot menu. So anyway, let's select power off actually from here. And once the phone turns off, you want to then hold the power key and the volume down. And when you see the OnePlus logo on the screen, let go of the power key. There we go. But keep holding volume down. There we go. So once you see your language selection right here, you can let go of the key and simply tap on the language that you wish to use. I'll be choosing English, and from there you have the 3 different options that are accessible to you in recovery mode. Now, being completely honest, there is only one option. It's the wipe data, which just performs a factory reset of your device. The 2 other ones are just ways of leaving this mode. So we can power off the device or reboot it, which will take us back to Android. And that is what I'm going to select right now. Device will reboot. Okay. And this will now take me back, like I said, to Android. Let's give it a second. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.